Okay, listen up. Did you know the most dangerous room in your house isn't the kitchen, it's the bathroom? Seriously, over 40,000 Americans get injured by toilets every single year. Let that sink in. The porcelain throne is secretly plotting against us. And here's another one. We all celebrate the Wright brothers, right? But did you know Orville Wright was actually involved in the first ever fatal aircraft accident? His passenger, a Frenchman, didn't make it. A stark reminder of early aviation's risks. But for a lighter, mind-blowing twist, the very first novel ever written on a typewriter? None other than Mark Twain's classic, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Imagine writing that without copy-paste. Talk about dedication. So next time you're sitting on the toilet or flying or even typing, remember these unbelievable facts. What blew your mind the most?